Welcome! In today's guide, we'll walk you through the simple steps to enable your friends' Bitmojis and Snapchat push notifications. This feature adds a fun and personalized touch to your alerts, making your Snapchat experience even more engaging. Let's dive in. First, open the Snapchat app on your device. Look for the familiar yellow icon with a white ghost, and tap on it to launch the app. Once you're inside Snapchat, head to your profile by tapping on the profile icon located in the top left corner of the screen. This icon typically looks like a silhouette or your Bitmoji avatar. Next, find the gear icon in the top right corner of the screen. This is your gateway to Snapchat's settings. Tap on it to proceed. In the settings menu, scroll down until you see the section labeled My Account. Under this section, tap on Notifications. This will take you to all the notification-related options available for customization. Now look for the option labeled Bitmojis in Notifications. Simply mark or enable this option. Once activated, your friends' Bitmojis will start appearing in your Snapchat push notifications whenever they send you snaps or messages. And that's it. With these quick steps, you've successfully enabled Bitmojis in notifications. Your alerts will now be more lively and personalized, featuring your friends' avatars alongside their messages. Thank you for tuning in. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to share it with others who might enjoy customizing their Snapchat experience. See you next time.